Topic 3. Development. Early brain development. Brain development begins in the womb and continues throughout childhood and adolescence. The brain initially starts as a simple neural tube, which eventually develops into distinct brain regions with specialized functions. The brainstem is the oldest and most primitive part of the brain, and it controls essential functions like breathing, heart rate, and digestion. These functions are automatic and do not require conscious effort. The thalamus is responsible for processing sensory information from the environment, including touch, sound, and vision. It acts as a relay station, sending information to the appropriate regions of the brain for further processing. The cerebellum is located at the base of the brain and is responsible for coordinating movement and balance. It receives input from the sensory systems and the motor cortex, and it uses this information to adjust and refine movement. The cortex is the outermost layer of the brain and is responsible for the higher level cognitive functions, such as attention, memory, language, and decision making. It is divided into several regions, each specialized for specific functions. During brain development, different regions of the brain mature at different rates. The brainstem, thalamus, and cerebellum develop early in gestation, while the cortex continues to develop throughout childhood and adolescence. As the brain develops, there is a progression from simple reflexive behaviours to more complex voluntary actions. Infants first develop basic motor skills like grasping and crawling, and as they grow and their cortex matures, they gain more refined motor skills and cognitive abilities. The development of the cortex allows for more complex behaviours and the ability to think abstractly and plan for the future. The roles of nature and nurture refer to the contributions of genetic and environmental factors to human development and behaviour. Nature refers to the genetic or innate factors that influence development, while nurture refers to the environmental factors that contribute to development. Nature plays an important role in human development, as our genetic makeup determines our physical traits and influences our cognitive abilities and personality traits. For example, genes determine our eye colour, height, and susceptibility to certain diseases. Additionally, research has shown that some personality traits such as introversion, extroversion, and neuroticism have a strong genetic basis. However, while genetics provide the blueprint for development, nurture also plays a critical role in shaping human behaviour and development. Environmental factors such as upbringing, culture, education, and experiences can influence cognitive, emotional, and social development. For example, studies have shown that early childhood experiences, such as parental warmth and support, can have a significant impact on children's cognitive and emotional development. Moreover, environmental factors can also interact with genetic factors to influence development. For example, studies have shown that genetic factors may interact with environmental factors such as stress or trauma to increase the risk of mental health problems. In terms of development, factors such as smoking, infections, for example rubella, and alcohol can influence the development of a baby in the womb. These can then have an impact on the child's development as it grows up.